Okay, this is a facelift TTS steering wheel. I believe it's pretty much the same as a RS3, TTRS, and R8, minus a few buttons. It's a virtual cockpit wheel. Well, anyways, I'm making this. This took me 2 hours to get out. You can see one of those is bent. This is used, and I'm a little mad about it. If you can look right here, so all you're trying to do is slide that over, and then the steering wheel will pop out. So you come in from the back, stick it in, you'll feel it spring. If you get nothing, you went too far. So what I do is I take my thumb and I mark where it caught on this side and flipped. That way you know on the other side, same distance. Well, I'm going to try to hold the camera and show you how that works. Zoom in on that. Sorry, my light's dying. So you come in from the back, just catch it and slide it over. See right there? That's all you have to do. The airbag will pop right out. I have to undo a whole bunch of somebody's ugly because they were sloppy with it, and I'm kind of mad about it. Anyways, thanks for watching.